Hi guys, welcome back to my channel OMW Technicals, and today we will repair a earphones our. So let's begin. So first of all we will see where it is broken. So in my case this is well conditioned, not have any problem in this part. So I will check first from earpiece. Okay, so I will open it. Okay, so yes, in this case you can see it, the wire has broken. Okay, so now what we will do, open second one also and start. Okay, you can see both wire has broken. So what we will do, we will pull it full. Okay, and now what we will do, we will desolder it. First we will remove it, then we will do separation. I will remove it. Okay, and I will put a one knot because I want to insulate this wire. So second thing, from here also I have to do, I will insulate this both wire and then we will see it. So guys, you can see I have insulated this. Okay, now I will put a knot over here and now I will solder this wire, both wire. I will put this aside for some time, and now you can see. Okay, solder has been done. Guys, it takes a lot of time to make a video, so please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, share it to your friends. So now you can see it has soldered. Now second one, then only you will get it how to do it, otherwise you will not get it how to. Now what we'll do, take this speaker. Now this is plus and this is minus. So what we will do, we will first put it over here and take a shoulder machine gun. Okay, so now what we will do, place it. Okay, one side is over. Now second one, I will put it over here and okay, now 1 second guys. Okay, perfect. So now also we will put it in it. Okay, here is our earphone is ready to use. I will show you that it is working or not. So now guys, you can see I have done a soldering and connected. Speaker has been connected. So you can hear a voice from it. This is a right and this is a left. Okay, I will show you. I will increase the voice. So it was this only. Now it is working. So thank you for watching guys this video. Hope you enjoyed. Till then, wait for my next video, and please guys like and subscribe to my channel.